Good morning, student. I am Santosh Kumar Rangari. I will teach you SST in class 8, uh, and I have taken class in WhatsApp and Zoom and all, but this is my first interaction with you all. So again, I would like to say good morning, and now let's start our chapter. Our second chapter is land, soil, water, nature, vegetation, and wildlife. So already I have taught you in first chapter in the month of April about resource. So what is resource? Resource means anything by which we can fulfill our needs. It is called resource. And here we have what? Land, soil, water, nature, vegetation, and wildlife resources. Here we call resources. So why it is called resources? Land also one kind of resources, soil also, water also, nature, vegetation, and wildlife. These all are resources. Why these all are called resources? Because it fulfill our needs. Before go into the chapter and the topic, there is a one story in your book about two uh, children, one boy, one girl. First, that is in name Mama. Mama. She used to live in Tanzania. Where? Tanzania. And one is Peter. He used to live in New Zealand. New Zealand. Okay? So this story, through this story you can understand everything about land, soil, water, nature, vegetation, and wildlife. So what is their story? In a small village in Tanzania, Tanzania located where? In Africa. Mamba gets up very early in the morning to fetch water. She has to walk a long way and returns after a few hours. She then helps her mother in the house and joins her brothers in taking care of their goods. All her family own a piece of rocky land around their small hut. Mama's father can barely grow some maize and beans on it after toiling hard. This is not enough to feed their family for the whole year. It means that a person those are living in Tanzania, Mama, she used to carry water to cover long distance, and she used to help to her father, mother, and brother. They, but the difficulties and problem was that in their area in Africa, desert and rocky land is there. So it is too difficult to grow crops, and it was not enough for their family. In other hand, this is the first part of a story about the Tanzania, about Mama in Tanzania. Second one is a Peter. Peter used to live in New Zealand. So let's see what is given in his life. Peter lived in the heart of the sheep rearing region in New Zealand, where his family runs a wool processing factory. Wool processing. Wool processing factory. Okay. Then every day when he returns from school, Peter watches his uncle taking care of their sheep. Their sheep's yard is situated on a wide grass plain with hills in the forest. It's managed a scientific way using the latest technology. Peter's family also grow vegetables through the organic farming. So there are two differences between Mama's family and the Peter's family. Mama's family, they do not grow much crops due to the rocky area and climatic condition, but Peter, he used to live in New Zealand and their family work in the wool processing factory. So difference is that due to the only land surface, climatic condition, land surface and climatic condition, they have two type of utilization of land, or you can say two type of different type of lifestyle. So why this is? This is only due to the climatic condition and the nature. Apart from their land surface, if you have a good land, so you can go good crops. If you are living in a rocky area, desert area, like Mamba lives in Tanzania in Africa, so it is also too difficult to survive life in that area. So in this uh, chapter, we are going to discuss about the land, soil, water, nature, vegetation and wildlife. Now I will, our topic will be land. Topic will be land. Already I have taught you in WhatsApp and in our group that what is the importance of land and how it's play a vital role in our life. So land is a very important resource among all these resources like soil, water, nature, vegetation and wildlife. Land display very important role. There's a reason behind. The reason is that it support life, it support vegetation. So land is among the most important natural resources. It covers only about 30% of the total area of the earth's surface. It covers how much? 30% of area. And in 30%, do you know 90% population, 90% population lives in that 30% area. It's cover all surface of the earth. Due to the uneven distribution of population in different parts of the world is mainly due to the varied characteristics of land, climate, topography, slopes and mountain. So according to the population has been distributed unevenly. Unevenly means number of the population living in area, dense population, somewhere we can see scattered population, somewhere very few people are living. Why this is happened? Due to the land. What kind of land? If mountain is there, you will not find dense population. If hilly area is there, so population will be less than mountain region. At the same time, if land surface is there, so like in India, Uttar Pradesh, you will find that number of people, the dense population are living together. So according to the land surface, we can use our land. So your next point will be land use. Land use. We use our land in a different purpose, like for agriculture, for construction, for building, for housing, for road, railway, agriculture, forestry. There is a number of purpose by which we use our land. And here also land is depend, the utilization of land only depend on the structure of the land. Structure. How you can, that land utilization of land is depend only the structure of the land. What kind of a structure of land do you have? If you have a plain surface, you can utilize in a better way. If you have a rocky or desert area, so you cannot utilize as much as where you can use in a plain surface. Understood? So in this chapter we learn about the land, soil, water, nature, vegetation and wildlife. Now we have land categorized into two types. First one is what? That is the community and the private land. According to that, we use our land. If community land is there, so community land, what is community land? Community means where all the people they have their own rights to go there and they can use like ground. Like ground. Ground means ground, pasture. पास्चर मीन्स घास का मैदान जहाँ पे गाय और जो पेट एनिमल्स होते हैं घास खाते हैं, ठीक है. तो दैट इज ग्राउंड, पास्चर. इट इज अ कम्युनिटी रिसोर्सेज. बट इफ आई से व्हाट इज इंडिविजुअल लैंड, इंडिविजुअल रिसोर्सेज, इंडिविजुअल, इट विल बी लाइक टेम्पल. नो, individual, it will be farmhouse. It will be farmhouse where you can utilize your land according to yourself. So my dear student, in next video I will explain about the soil, different type of soil, red soil, parent soil, hard soil. So and these kinds of soil we'll discuss in the next video. And good day and have a nice.